Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Sanyi Township in Miaoli County is known as Taiwan's wood carving kingdom. To learn more about this famed local industry, check out the Sanyi Wood Sculpture Museum, which features Austronesian wood carvings, Chinese sculpture, furniture, and more. Sanyi is also home to some good sightseeing spots, including the Shenxing Station, a Japanese-style wooden train station built in 1907.
Welcome back to another edition of Talk About Hakka on Icrt.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。
Hello， 大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. Springtime is coming up. Maybe people are thinking about traveling around the island especially. And since Leo is an expert with the Hakka culture, let's have him take us to another township today. 然后呢，要去哪一个乡或镇吗？
我们去我最熟悉的地方。
不用讲，我知道。苗栗。
是的，苗栗。
How do you say that again? 苗栗 in Hakka is?
苗栗。
苗栗. Okay, that's Miaoli County. I knew Leo was going to take us there because that's where he grew up.
我们去一个木雕最有名的地方。
I know this place. When I drive on the freeway, I will always stop by there for a little while just to rest up and actually take a look at the wood carvings because this township is known for its wood carvings and it's Sanyi Township, 对不对？
没错，散一。其实如果你真的要去参观一下，去看一下好山好水哦，那你要坐火车。
Oh, that's true.
坐火车你就可以看到一个很有名的古迹，叫做龍騰斷橋。
龍騰斷橋
就是龍騰斷橋。
Oh, it's a famous bridge that is found deeper inside the township, and you should take the train in order to see it. It's actually a historic place. Oh, okay. 所以是坐火车的话就可以看得到，对不对？
对对对。
而且据我所知，其实三义乡以前好像有一些火车会上去。
对，
某一个车站好像蛮有名的嘛。
旧山线部分有一个纵贯线最高的一站叫做盛興茶條。
That's right, 盛興茶條，
就是盛興車站。
盛興車站 That's a train station that is well known. It's one of the highest points for train stations in Taiwan, but they don't operate anymore. 不过这是以前的所谓的旧山线。这能不能教大家怎么说
？Q 散線
Q 散線 Okay, that's an old railway line that is not in operation anymore, but you can still see, the culture and the history behind it when you go there. It's all about going to Sanyixiang. How do you say that again?
三义鄉
Sanyixiang, and that's in Miaoli County, Miaoli 縣
苗栗縣
Miaoli 縣 And don't forget to check out the wood carvings, 木雕
木雕
And there you go, all about Hakka here on FM 100.
什麼睇㗎？
俺只識張來了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.